What's up guys, welcome back to Periodic Surf Co and welcome to our build guide. If you're watching this video, chances are you have made the excellent choice of grabbing one of our DIY surfboard kits and you're planning on building it at home. Now, like all things, there is more than one way to complete a task, and in this video series we are going to go over the entire process from start to finish on the methods that we have found to be the most reliable and accessible for building your own hollow core wooden surfboard with a fairly standard set of tools for the average DIYer. Now, our wooden surfboard kits are quite unique in the sense that they are made entirely out of solid timber, and that timber of choice is paulownia. Paulownia is a very lightweight and strong material which makes it perfect for wooden surfboards, but it does come with its own set of challenges when compared to something like plywood used by a lot of other frame manufacturers. Now, before we get into assembling our frame and making a wooden surfboard, the first thing we're going to look at is the deck skins so we can get them assembled and give them plenty of time to dry while we're doing the frame fit up.